Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to delete your Instagram message chat. Now to begin, first of all, open your Instagram on your mobile device and get logged into your account. Once you open your app, you need to click on the message section. Therefore, click on the message icon on the top right corner. There you can see the person that I have sent the message to. Now if you want to delete from a particular conversation, tap open the conversation that you have done. Now here you can see I have sent DMs to this particular person. Now I want to delete this. So for that you need to tap and hold the message that you have sent for a while. You will see the option of reacting and below there are three options: reply, unsend, more. If you want to delete the message, you just need to tap on unsend message. Unsending will remove the message for everyone. People may have seen or forwarded it already. This will delete the message from the conversation. You unsend, you can see the text is removed. Now I'm gonna do the second one. Similarly, tap and hold, then tap on unsend. And just like that, all the messages will get deleted. Hope this video was useful and you have learned how you can delete the message on your chat. Now if you want to delete whole conversation at once, you just need to hold on that person conversation. Then you will see the option of delete on the pop-up. Tap on delete, permanently delete chat. If you are sure that you want to delete the chats permanently, you tap on delete and all the conversation with that person will get deleted from your Instagram history. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification. Thank you.